Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your start work to app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, you click in this sign down here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on settings, you just click on it here. You come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down, you come here to visual here, magnitude here, and here can you select it in this list. So here can you select it. That's all. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.